Welcome to 2+0 Cooking, and we are making two old-time favorites today. We are making Orange Julius and Root Beer Float. If you've never made these two summertime drinks before, then stick around. Hello, my name is Beef, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I make small, tasty recipes for me and my plus one out of our tiny apartment kitchen. Our recipes are small, easy on the budget, and easily scalable for more servings. So let's get going on the Orange Julius and Root Beer Float. Welcome back, everybody. So we're going to go ahead and do these two drinks, the Root Beer Float and Orange Julius. These are two favorites of my plus one and myself. They're great by themselves on a hot day, and if you're having old-fashioned diner-type food like hamburgers, hot dogs, things of that nature, really rounds out your meal. So what I have here is a bowl with ice and water, just to keep my glasses nice and cold. We're going to go ahead and mix it up. It's not difficult at all, and you do not need a blender. So what we have here, we're going to start with Orange Julius. I have orange concentrate. Half a cup of liquid is probably what it holds. I'm going to put a level teaspoon of that syrup. And then we're going to add some vanilla ice cream. The orange concentrate is going to be strong, so... oh, what the hell. Let's go get it up there. Then you just add milk. You don't want to totally mix it. So when you make this drink, you want to taste it. Does it have enough orange or not? Got a little straw here. That's an Orange Julius. So I'm going to take this. Luckily, I have this prepared. It's just basically a plastic container. I put tin foil on it. Just going to pour that ice and water in here. Now we're going to move on to the Root Beer Float. Now this one here, I don't know, it's just like one of those drinks that it's really not that hard to figure out in terms of flavor, because it seems to work no matter what you do. And you just add root beer. And you got to use good root beer, A&W. Can't get any old-fashioned that. Got to do it slow, because this stuff will foam up. Go nice and slow. You could just pour it and let it set, and let the person that's going to drink it mix it up. And we're just going to make smaller versions of the exact same thing. You have it 3 different sizes for you and your guests. And everybody's going to be happy. You know, somebody that just wants to taste a little bit of each one and they're done. These are great. Somebody that just wants to walk around and, you know, talk to everybody and have a nice root beer float or Orange Julius. There's a good one. If somebody wants to really have a good time with Orange Julius or root beer float, and have it with their afternoon, you know, hamburger or hot dog, these are great too. I'm going to need to put a little bit more ice in there, just that way they stay nice and cold. Thank you very much for sticking around and watching this. Hope to see you guys soon, and have a happy and safe holiday. Beef out. Thank you so much for watching this video making Orange Julius and Root Beer Float. If you like this video, then please like us below. There are also links on the screen for other 2+0 cooking recipes. Remember to subscribe and you'll be notified of new videos every week. As always, I have a summary of this recipe below in the description. And also please visit our website, 2+0-cooking.com. If you have any comments or ideas, then please post them below. We love hearing from our viewers and answering their questions. We also invite our viewers to share their ideas or recipes with each other in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to hearing from you, and see you soon. Beef out. As always, just because I'm done cooking after this recipe doesn't mean our kitchen is closed. The following images are for a future meal for me and my plus one. Enjoy.